Intel has revealed what could be a major challenge to AMD's Threadripper 2 processors in the form of its most powerful desktop CPU ever. The yet unnamed CPU was revealed at the Computex trade show in Taiwan, and during the presentation, the CPU appears to be able to sit at a massive 5 GHz across all cores too, and this is due for release in the fourth quarter this year. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The fact it can reach 5 GHz at all is incredible, but across all cores will mean it's not just very powerful, but also one of the first CPUs in Intel's lineup to reach 5 GHz, with the first being the Core i7-8086K Anniversary Limited Edition. The move will mean that Intel is introducing a 10-core 20-thread jump from its current most powerful desktop processor, the Core i9-7980XE, which has 18 cores and 36 threads. However, it can only reach around 4.5 GHz when overclocked, although we don't know the test system's cooling specifications or even if the 28-core processor was overclocked. Even so, this is a huge leap in power and speed, and something that will likely have AMD worried with its second generation of Threadripper CPUs, due out around the same time of the fourth quarter. We don't know if they'll include a core count increase above the current maximum of 16. If they don't, then Intel will have quite a lead in the high-end desktop arena this time. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.